Hey guys, it's time to take a quick look at the Android 6.0 Marshmallow update for the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and this is the official update that I just flashed. So of course, if you do have the Xperia Z5 series phone, it's now rolling out. You have to go like in settings and then about section, and if I go here quickly, first increase the brightness. So head on to the software update. So probably you will going to see a notification, but if you don't, then you can install it manually, and if you want me to make a tutorial about that, I can make it, but most probably you'll see the update there. So yeah, but for my Xperia Z5 Premium, I had to install it manually. But yeah, let's just get straight into the review. So first of all, with this new update, what they have changed is pretty much nothing. It's not they haven't changed on their behalf. The UI experience is pretty much the same. It's pretty hard to tell what has been changed compared to Lollipop. Of course, with the Marshmallow, you get all those features, like first of all, the now on tap thing here, which basically takes a screen scan of the things, and then gives you a search. So that's Google Now on tap feature. And then of course with the Marshmallow you get the doze mode, which basically increases the battery life when the phone is on standby. And then we get the app permissions, which is of course one of the best things here with the Marshmallow. So you go into settings, you go into the apps, and then you go ahead and click on the gear on the top, and this will show you apps permissions. So you got app permissions for all the things, microphone, location, so you can turn off for some apps if you don't want them to access them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And physically looking, just UI wise, they haven't changed anything, like I said. One thing that I have noticed here, I don't know if that was available previously with the Lollipop, but there's a transition effect thing here. It might be available, but I haven't noticed it. So you can have it, you can select different transitions, so like this concave basically adds a cool effect when you scroll. And also one thing I have noticed here is that when you go into the app drawer, the status bar basically disappears. So you have to swipe one time to get to see the status bar, then you have to swipe twice to see the quick setting bar, and you can of course swipe for the third time to check your quick settings. So quick settings are also pretty much the same as before. This is very close to stock. You can quickly edit them, and do have the do not disturb mode, so no changes there. Same thing when you hold the icon, you can add it to the home screen. You can hold down the screen and you can get these 4 options: themes, settings, themes, wallpaper, and widgets. No changing there. Also, this is how the lock screen looks like. Fingerprint sensor, logo, camera, and the microphone. So you can go ahead and check the camera here. So camera UI is also the same. I mean, definitely camera UI is already pretty good. It's pretty polished. I don't think so that they're gonna update it. So you can go into settings, and of course it says unlock the phone first. So when you go into settings, you can change the megapixel from the 8 megapixel to around 23 megapixel, the maximum value. You can also check out more stuff, lots of stuff there, and also you can switch the modes from auto to manual, stuff like that. So pretty much the same stuff, not much to talk about. And another thing that I've noticed here, kind of a new thing, which is called as memory. This basically shows you the amount of RAM that is free. So on the Marshmallow Sony Z5 Premium, this will give you a 1.2 gigs of RAM free out of 3 gigabyte. That's pretty cool, because if I show you on my Galaxy S7 here, which is off at the moment, but with the S7 I get 1.5 gigs of RAM free out of 4 gigabytes. So I think that's good with the Sony phone, still giving us quite a lot of RAM for multitasking. And what else? If I go back and show you guys a thing which might make you angry, especially Sony fans, and this is, I don't know what type of weed they were smoking. They removed the stamina mode and stamina mode features from their Sony Z5 lineup. I've seen a video on YouTube that someone was reviewing the Android 6.0 Marshmallow on the Z5 Compact. They removed it from that phone also, so I'm pretty sure that it's not going to be available on any Z5 series running Android 6.0. So you have this battery usage option. If you go into the battery usage option, you don't see any of the stamina modes anymore. You just have the stock battery saver, which kind of sucks, you know. Stamina mode has its own value. There's an ultra stamina mode, which is something like similar to the Samsung's ultra power saving mode. So they have removed it. I don't know. Maybe it's like a glitch or something like that. Maybe they will include it in Android 6.1. I don't know, but it's currently not there. So again, this is the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium. Okay, so yeah, it is not there, and I have confirmed it to you guys. And what else? Another thing that is worth mentioning is that I'm using, of course, I've inserted my SD card just to check if I can, you know, do that adaptive storage thing where you can turn the external memory card into the internal. Still, there's no option. That was actually included in the beta version of the Marshmallow for the Sony devices, but they removed it with the official version, so you don't get the option to format the external SD card and convert it into internal, you know, swap it with the internal. So yeah, that is again a blow in the face for Sony fans. And you can go into card, it's gonna give you like a file explorer thing, and you can see all your files, but no option for converting whatsoever. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this new Sony update. Personally, just for the conclusion, they fixed some bugs, you know, underneath, and also of course you get all the features of the Android Marshmallow, but on Sony's end you don't really get much of any feature, you know. It's pretty much the same look wise and all that. So yeah, I might see some changing in the future. So if you want me to do like speed test videos with other phones with this Marshmallow update, so do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one